midnight, at sunset, at dusk, and so on.
Can we also use in for the?
In with long spans of time, in the morning, in the evening, in the night. But if I say at night phrase, then they will not be used. Do you know where does he live? A sentence should have one mood or one kind of message or sense. Here it is question mark. Then where does he live? All is question mark. Where does he live? I simply ask, do you know the place of his residence? Do you know where he lives? Not where does he live. Because this is the in question form. This is another question form. I simply mean, do you know the place of his residence or place where he lives? So this should be where. Do you know where he lives? Not where does he live. In one sentence, with the same meaning, only one question is enough, not the two. We enjoyed there. Enjoy is one of the verbs which either takes reflexive pronoun of the subject or the thing one enjoys. For example, for I myself, you yourself, he herself, we ourselves, and so on. Moreover, things of enjoyment may be material or immaterial, potential or non-potential, tangible or intangible. So there should be, we enjoyed ourselves. Thing of enjoyment is not mentioned here. So we have to change we to reflexive pronoun ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves there. That would be correct answer. This is repetition. One should do his duty. There are so many pronouns. There are in all 10 pronouns. One of them is pronoun and determiner. And according to law of subject-verb agreement, subject should agree with the verb, and also possessive case should agree with the subject. He, his, we, are, they, their. One, once. One should do one's duty, not his duty or her duty. That is the proper answer. Never speak a lie. It is a kind of warning or piece of advice that you should always speak truth. Never tell a lie. Lie is told and truth is spoken. Because the liar always intends to communicate the thing whether one likes it or not. So it is always told. Never tell a lie. There are certain nouns which always take article with them. A lie, a noise, a company, they take indefinite article, depending on the sense. If the noun is preceded by vowel sound, then an is used. An is used. He spoke the truth to me. It means he gave me some kind of information. Maybe I asked him to give, or he gave me on his own accord. So he told me something about some matter. So he told me the truth in the matter. When you communicate something as a piece of information or communication, we use it. Tell, mazi, is past tense told. For example, in a court of law, you are supposed to give evidence in some matter. So you will be giving that information as a piece of communication to the court of law that will be told. You will tell the truth, only truth and nothing but the truth. तुम सच बोलोगे, सच के अलावा और कुछ नहीं बोलोगे, तो वहाँ भी told आएगा as a means of communication or telling. Maybe we shall meet again sometime. Maybe one word means perhaps. Maybe two words means made as modal verb and be as to be verb. That will be hope. I hope. It is hoped, expected that we meet again. So this should be two words. Maybe we shall meet again sometime. The speaker tells the other person that we hope to meet again. Therefore, maybe means perhaps, and maybe it is possible. We hope so, expected. So this will be replaced by two words, maybe separately. Pakistan lost from India with 3 goals. There was a match, maybe hockey, maybe some other match, in which Pakistan lost to India. By how many goals? By 3 goals. By 2 goals. Pakistan lost to India by 3 goals. One mistake here, Preposition 1 here. You made me weep. There are certain words. They are let, see, watch, make, help, need not, need followed by not. There may be one or two more. They are the words when they help some other words, regardless of tense. The other verb is always in bare infinitive. To go, complete infinitive. Go, bare infinitive. To read, complete infinitive. To read without to, bare infinitive. So when these words help other words to complete a sentence, the other verb is always in bare infinitive. You helped me write an essay. You made me weep. Let children play outside. This is the rule. These are 7 or plus 7 or 7 in all. So this should be you made me weep. तुमने मुझे रुला दिया.
Weep is used as a
Bare infinitive. When these verbs take another with them to complete the sentence, the other verb is always in bare infinitive. It doesn't take to or ing. Also, he is a hard worker. There is no hard work is there, but for person there is no word hard worker. Hard working adjective. Hard working adjective. He is hard working. I am truthful to me. There is one phrase, to be true to oneself. She is true to herself. You are true to yourself. You are supposed to do what you are supposed to. And with integrity, honesty, and total motive or objective. So you should be honest with yourself. You should do what you are obliged to do. Never go against the norms or principles or honesty. So I am true to myself on the basis of principle, to be true to oneself. You need not worry about it. Need not is not followed by infinitive in this rule, as I just told. You need not worry about it. With positive sense, you need to work hard, you need to stay here, you need to join them. That's right. But in negative sense, need followed by not, it takes negative infinitive without to. He denied that he had not told a lie. There are several verbs that give negative or restrictive meaning. Prohibit, inhibit, deny, refuse, refute. They already have negative sense in them. If we use not with them, the negative into negative will be positive. That will give opposite sense of what we want to communicate. He denied that he had not told a lie. He denied that he had told a lie. वो इस चीज़ से मुकर गया कि उसने झूठ बोला था, क्योंकि डिनाई की माना ही नेगेटिव है. अगर नाट मिलाएंगे तो इसका मतलब उसने डिनाई नहीं किया था, उसने कहा वो सच्ची बात थी. उलट हो जाएगा. मसलन, my mother prohibited us not to go out in the sun. It means she allowed us to go in the sun. Father prohibited my brother not to smoke, means go on smoking. Don't stop smoking. It's prohibited. माना क्या है भाई, तंबाकू नोशी बस न करना, खानदानी पीते हैं तुम भी पीते रहो मेरे भाई. जबकि ऐसी माना नहीं है. उसने मना किया कि stop, forthwith, immediately. It is all right. This word is in the dictionary, but most people who are really grammar and linguistics, they believe that it's not good English. It's informal and should be avoided. This should be, it is all right. All right. ALLRIGH, as we have already and already. These both words are in the dictionary, but different meanings. We are already ready. Means before time we are about to leave or start. But we are all ready. Every one of us is ready. These two words, already, already. So if I add L here, this will be a spelling mistake. There is no such word in the dictionary. Already. It's single L, which is informal.